In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to invest in cryptocurrencies for total beginners. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could take a moment to hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So the number one place that I recommend that you invest in cryptocurrencies is eToro.com. Now this might not be available in your country, but I know for a fact that it's available in Ireland, so you can go ahead and check that out. So why do I recommend eToro? Well, when it comes to cryptocurrencies and buying cryptocurrencies, if you use a decentralized exchange or an exchange like Binance, Kraken, or any of those kind of exchanges, you have to be very careful when sending or buying money, because if you're sending from wallet to wallet and you get one digit wrong, then that money just absolutely disappears. It vanishes into thin air, never to be seen again. And that's happened to many people. So it's quite tricky buying on like Binance and those kind of websites. With eToro, there's no issues with that. Your money is never going to be sent anywhere. It never goes off eToro, and it's not going to disappear on you. Now, another reason that I like eToro is because it has crypto portfolios. So instead of going out there studying all these different coins and trying to find one that you think is going to take off, what you can actually do is like buy an index fund, a type of index fund of multiple cryptos. So if you just put on one lump sum, then they filter it out through all of the different cryptos that are in there. So if you just show you this one here, this is the one that I recommend. It's gone up by 21.4% for me so far. So if we go to crypto equal, it has XRP, XLM, Cardano, it has Tron, Chainlink, Uniswap, Avalanche, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Near Protocol, and a number of other ones there that it puts an equal amount on all of those. And you'll see that a lot of these are like coins and exchanges that other coins are launched on. Okay, so you can see Ripple is the one that's gone up the most for me, and then you can see all of these other ones on the list as well. So that is the first place, is eToro, and eToro crypto portfolios is an easy way to get in and diversify your crypto income without having to go out there and study a load of different coins. It just picks the top like 20 ones for you there. Now, another place that's great for buying cryptocurrencies is because it's an app on your phone, is Revolut. Now, Revolut is definitely in Europe, but it says it's also in 160 countries, so it's probably in other countries as well. And it allows you to just buy a limited amount of crypto. There's no funds or index funds like that or portfolios on this, but you can buy, let's say, Bitcoin or hundreds of the top coins on here, and you can buy just small amounts as well. If you want to just spend $20, $50 or something like that, 50 euros, whatever, you can do that on Revolut. You don't need to buy over $500, because I believe on eToro at the moment, the crypto funds, you do have to spend over $500 on that. So that is eToro and Revolut. So go ahead and check those out. Revolut is like a banking app. You can use it as a debit card, and you can also buy cryptocurrencies and all that kind of stuff on it. So those are the two ways that I recommend for beginners, because you don't have to send wallet addresses, you don't have to use a decentralized exchange, you don't have to figure out Binance. It's very simple to use these ones. Those are the two best ones for beginners. So thanks for checking out this video, guys. Go ahead and please subscribe. It really helped me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.